Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI the Fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Chrissy, and for today we have 3 translations, right, from 3 different people. But before we start, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, right? Thank you for my old subscribers as well. I really appreciate it. Like I always say, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please guys, do, if you can, spread the word to everyone or anyone who wants to know TWI and those that are interested in what TWI is about, right? So with that, let's start today's lesson. The first person that needed something translated today was Jewel. Jewel, thanks again for all your support. So the first thing that Jewel wanted translated was, how do you say you should go to work rather staying at home? Now in TWI, that can be said as Ɛwɔsɛ adwuma, sene wobɛtena efie. The sentence again is Ɛwɔsɛ adwuma, sene wobɛtena efie. Right now, broken down, Ɛwɔsɛ is basically should in English. Wokɔ adwuma is basically you go to work. So the first sentence, which is Ɛwɔsɛ wokɔ adwuma, in English is you should go to work. Now the second part of the sentence, which is sene wobɛtena efie, in English is rather than staying at home. So now the next thing that Drew wanted me to translate was, I will think about it. Now, I will think about it in TWI is Mɛdwene ho. Mɛdwene is I'll think. Ho is think about that specific thing. Hence, Mɛdwene ho is I'll think about it. The next thing that Drew wanted me to translate was, I will think about what you said. I will think about what you said. So that in TWI can be said as Mɛdwene Nneɛ wokaae no ho. Again, the sentence is Mɛdwene Nneɛ wokaae no ho. Now broken down in English, Mɛdwene is I'll think. Nneɛ basically is whatever I'm thinking about. Wokaae no ho is whatever you said, right? Now the next thing that Drew wanted me to translate was, remember what you said. So remember what you said in TWI is kae nneɛ wokaae no. Kae is remember. Nneɛ is basically that thing. Wokaae no, whatever you said. So the sentence again is kae nneɛ wokaae no. The next person that needed me to translate something was Afare. Afare, thanks again for your continued support as well. So these are the things that Afare wanted me to translate. The first thing is, how do you say, did you understand what I just said in TWI? Did you understand what I just said in TWI? So that can be said in this way. Wotee aseɛ, nneɛ sesea mekaa no wɔ TWI mu no. The sentence again is Wotee aseɛ, nneɛ sesea mekaa no wɔ TWI mu no. So broken down to English, Wotee aseɛ, nneɛ sesea mekaa is, did you understand what I just said no wɔ TWI mu no? What I just said in TWI. Now that sentence can be said in another way as well, right? You can also say nneɛ sesea mekaa no wɔ TWI mu no. Wotee aseɛ. Again, nneɛ sesea mekaa no wɔ TWI mu no. Wotee aseɛ. The next thing that Afare wanted me to translate is, don't listen to him or don't mind him. So don't listen to him in TWI is Ɛntie no or Mɛntie no. And then don't mind him in TWI is Ɛnfii no or Mɛnfii no. The next thing that Afare wanted to know was how to say, I don't talk to him anymore. I don't talk to him anymore. Now in TWI, that can be said as Mennkasa no ho bio. Mennkasa no ho bio. And the last thing that Afare wanted to know was, I don't listen to him at all. I don't listen to him at all. Now that in TWI can be said as Mɛntie no koraa. Mɛntie no koraa. Okay, that's about it for Afare. So the next person that wanted me to translate something was Lionel. Lionel, thank you for your continued support as well. So these are the things that Lionel wanted to know. And the first thing that Lionel wanted to know was, how do you say cancel as a verb? Cancel in TWI is twam. Twam is cancel. And the next thing that Lionel also wanted to know was, how do you say, did you cancel the meeting? And that in TWI can be said as wotwaa nhyiamu no mu. Wotwaa is basically, did you cancel? Nhyiamu is meeting. Numu is that specific meeting. So again, the sentence is wotwaa nhyiamu no mu, right? And the last thing that Lionel wanted to find out was, yes, I canceled the meeting shortly after you asked me to. Now that in TWI can be translated as ane metwa nhyiamu no mu. Ɛberɛ a wokaa sɛ mentwam no. The sentence again is Ani mitwa nhyiamu no mu. Ebra wokaae mintwam no. Broken down in English is ani, which is yes, mitwa nhyiamu no mu. I canceled the meeting. Ebra wokaae, when you said or when you told me that se mintwam no, I should cancel it. So the sentence again is ani mitwa nhyiamu no mu. Ebra wokaae mintwam no. Guys, that's about it for today's lesson. I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome. And for my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. And please do go out. Please do spread the word. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Please tell anyone who's interested in learning TWI or who's interested in the language in general to come to this channel, go through the content. If they do like the content of this channel, they can either click on the like button, click on the subscribe button so they can actually join the family as well, and click on the bell button for future notifications, right? Guys, again, for the coronavirus, right, please stay indoors. It's not about you, it's about the next person. Only go out for essential service, be it medical or for food, right? And please, guys, do get the TWI Junior Pro app. It's on the Google Store. It's less than $1. With that and these lessons, you learn the language quicker. From me, Kwesi, see you next time. Bye.